that it is not enough to just know of God. I've got to know who he is, so that when I find myself in need, I know who I'm calling on.
That's right.
Somebody understand that? I don't have a lot of time. And so the other piece of the equation was God had to reveal himself and give visible evidence of the providential plan that was his will for man. God had to give visible evidence of the providential plan that was his will for man. Now, what was this plan? It was a plan that only he could perform. That plan in a nutshell was this, that through him and in him only life would be so much better. Can I get a witness?
Yes, sir.
That know that your life has become so much better since you made a connection with Christ. Your life has become so much better since you got to know him. Your life has become so much better. That's why I believe the songwriter says, "'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus and to take him at his word." I take him at his word because I know his word to be true, because his word comes from him, and I know he is true. I know he is not only the author and the finisher, but I know that he can make a way.
That's right.